Hello, good evening friends. I am Rajinder Jatana on this side, coming up with maxima and minima of geometrical figures. These geometrical figures can be 2D or 3D. Then these figures will be either inscribed or circumscribed. 2D case. In 3D also they can be either inscribed or circumscribed. Now we'll go ahead. Now look here. These are 2D geometrical figures and 3D geometrical figures. They are called mensuration. 2D and 3D mensuration. We'll be dealing with the mensuration formulae first, then we'll go ahead how to find the maxima and minima of the inscribed or circumscribed figures. Now let us start with the 2D. First of all, square. Length and breadth is equal. Area will be x square and circumference is 4x. X plus x plus x plus x, that is 4x. Similarly, we note that area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is x, breadth is y, area will be x into y, and the perimeter will be 2 into x plus y. Trapezium, it is half, area is half base 1 plus base 2 into h. मजाक में कैसे याद रखना है? This h you write here h by 2. So b1 means BB number 1 plus BB number 2 और h by 2 हस्बैंड के दो टुकड़े हो जाते हैं जिनकी दो बीवियाँ होती हैं, BB number 1 and BB number 2. Half B1 plus B2 into h is the area. This is how you can remember it with all fun. Now area of circle you know already, pi r square, and circumference is 2 pi r. Equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So its area is root 3 by 4 side square. And the circumference is sum of all the three sides, that is 3x. Let us go to 3D. Start with this cylinder. Curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Total surface area is 2 pi into h plus r, and the volume is pi r square h. So there is a formula for the volumes of all these figures, and whenever you have to find the volume, area of the base into height. Look here, in the base it is the circle, height is h, so area of the base is pi r square into h. Now this cone is 1/3 of, its volume is 1/3 of the volume of this cylinder. It is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Sphere, and in this case curved surface area is pi r l. L is the slant height, and total surface area is pi r into L plus r, and volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. In the case of sphere, curved surface area is 4 pi r square. Total surface area 4 pi r square. Volume is 4 times this. It will be 4 by 3 pi r square. h की जगह r लगा देना है, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere, it is half of this. So area is, curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area is 3 pi r square, and volume is half of this, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these formulas should be properly remembered so that while dealing with the questions you don't face any problem. So let us go further. Some standard geometrical results to maxima and minima. ये आपको अगर याद रखेंगे तो क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में. Number 1, area of a rectangle with the given perimeter is greatest when it is a square. So when the rectangle becomes a square, then the area is always greatest. Now, second is the perimeter of a rectangle with given area is least. इधर पहले greatest का केस है, अब least का, when it is a square. So perimeter least होता है, area यहाँ पे maximum होता है. Third case is the greatest rectangle inscribed in a given circle is a square. Greatest rectangle, that is in the shape of a square. The greatest triangle inscribed in a given circle is a equilateral triangle. अगर आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एरिया निकालना है ट्रायंगल का and which is inscribed in the circle, then it has to be an equilateral triangle. As in the case of rectangle, it becomes a square, all sides are equal. Here the triangle, all sides of that triangle becomes equal, that becomes an equilateral triangle. Let us go to fifth case. The semi-vertical angle of a cone with given slant height and maximum volume is tangent inverse root 2. This is the angle, semi-vertical angle. And last one is the height of a cylinder of maximum volume inscribed in a given sphere of radius is 2a over root 3. A is the radius. So these results you must remember, so that while doing the multiple choice questions, you are a bit sure of opting for a right option. Let us go further. So these are how we have to deal with the inscribed figures. These are magic short tricks. Right circular cylinder in sphere. Look here, it is right circular cylinder in the sphere. Its volume of the cylinder, we know that it is pi r square h. अब देखिए यहाँ पे ये रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, ये एंगल थीटा है. So r is radius of this will be this over this, that is r cos theta. ये जो रेडियस कैपिटल R है ये स्फीयर का है, स्मॉल r जो है वो सिलेंडर का है. r over r is cos theta, that is r is equal to small r is equal to r cos theta. Its square is there. h के लिए height is there. This is the height. So it is double of r sin theta. This is r sin theta, double of this. It is 2r sin theta. So on solving, we will get the volume of the cylinder. So same way, surface area. We know that surface area is 2 pi RH plus pi r square. 2 pi RH is the curved surface area, pi r square is the base area. So on adding, we get this. Similarly, we can put the value of r and h